Dear students, welcome to Mathematics CET classes. In this class, we will solve problems on CET problems on the concept of maxima and minima. The concept of maxima and minima I have studied, and I have made some videos also on the maxima and minima concepts. If you are not aware of the concepts, please go through the videos once again. Now, I will take problems on CET directly here. First question, the function, let me take this function as f of x is equal to x raised to 5 minus 5 into x raised to 4 plus 5 into x cube minus 10 has a maximum where x is equal to. It has the maximum, they are saying it has a maximum value at what value of x is. So according to the theory, how we do, we will differentiate, we will find out where f dash of x is equal to 0, and at those particular points whether f double dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0, we will do like that. As it is a CET question, what we do, we will go directly here, means the function has maximum where x is equal to, means for all these points we will check out the value of f of x, where it is maximum, that will be the answer. Very simple one, we will use the shortcut method here. Okay, first one, when x is equal to 3, option A, what is the answer here? When x is equal to 3, this is f of 3 is equal to 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into 3 raised to 4 plus 5 into 3 raised to 3 minus 10. Let me simplify this. From these two, 3 raised to 4 is common, take it out, 3 minus 5 plus, from these two 5 is common, 3 raised to 3, 27, 5 is taken common, 2, 3 raised to 4, 81, 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 5 into 25. This is 81 to the minus 162 plus of 125. See, one thing you may observe, when you substitute x is equal to 0, this function value will be minus 10. This function value will be minus 10, but here how we are getting, it will be lesser than the minus 10, lesser than the minus 10 number line. Somewhere here will be minus 10, here minus 162, so it will be around minus 37, I think, you can check it, minus 30, this is lesser, so I need not to worry about it. Now, when I substitute x is equal to 2, means second option I am checking, f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 4 plus 5 into 2 cube minus 10. 2 raised to 5, 32, minus 5 into 16 plus 5 into 8 minus 10. Here you can take 16 common. If 16 is common, 32 minus 5, 2 minus 5 plus 5 is common, 8 minus 2. 16 into minus 2 minus 5 is minus 3 plus 5 into 8 minus 2, 6 minus 48 plus 30, this is minus 18. Again this option is not possible, because if we go with option D, what we are getting here, we are getting the minus 10. Minus 10 will be bigger compared to the minus 18. So now let us check the point x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, if we check, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 5 plus 5 minus 10. What happens? Minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled, 1 minus 10 means minus 9. When you substitute x is equal to 0, this gives us minus 10. So which is maximum here? Minus 9 is maximum, as minus 9 is maximum, so at which point it is occurring? At the point x is equal to 1 it is occurring, so option C is correct. If you don't want to go with the trial and error method, you can go with the derivative tests. Differentiate the function f dash of x is equal to 5 into x raised to 4 minus 20 into x cube plus 15 into x square minus 0. Take common here, 5 into x square is common, then you find out the points where f dash of x is equal to 0. Like that you can proceed, no problem. Now answering second question. The minimum value of the function. The minimum value they are asking. Minimum value they are asking. Don't answer like which one is minimum here, that will, no, it is not like that. F of x is equal to 4 into e raised to 2x plus 9 into e to the power of minus 2x it is. Let me differentiate. We need to go with the derivative test here. F dash of x is equal to 4 into e to the power of 2x into 2 plus 9 into e to the power of minus 2x into minus 2. Differentiation of e raised to minus 2x. E raised to minus 2x into minus 2. F dash of x is equal to 8 into e raised to 2x minus 18 into e to the power of minus 2x. This is what? This is f dash of x is equal to. Minimum value we need to find out. We need to find out the points where f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. This implies 8 into e raised to 2x minus 18 into e to the power of minus 2x is equal to 0. 8 into e to the power of 2x minus 18 e to the power of minus 2x by e to the power of plus 2x. This is equal to 0. If we cross multiply 8 into e to the power of 2x whole square e raised to 4x minus 18 by e raised to 2x is equal to 0. 8 into e to the raised to 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. E raised to 4x is equal to 18 by 8. 2 9s are 2 4s are. This is e raised to 4x is equal to 9 by 4. If you take logarithm on both sides, log of e raised to 4x is equal to log of 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole square. This is 4x is equal to 2 into log of 3 by 2. 4 let me take to right hand side. This becomes 2 by 4, nothing but 1 by 2 into log of 3 by 2. This is what x value I am getting. This is the point where the function is maximum or minimum we will be checking. Now at this point, minimum value, they are asking you the minimum value of this function. At this point, whether is this the function gives us f double dash of x greater than 0 or not, let me check it. What is f double dash of x? F double dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 8 into e raised to 2x. Its derivation 8 into e raised to 2x into 2. That is nothing but 16 into e raised to 2x. Next, minus of minus 18 into e raised to minus 2x. That is, let me write minus 18 into e to the power of minus 2x into minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus, you know. So this is 16 into e to the power of 2x plus of 36 into e to the power of minus 2x divided by e to the power of plus 2x it is. See, e to the power of x, whatever the value you substitute, this is always a positive value. This is always greater than 0, whatever the value of x you substitute. So x equal to 1 by 2 into log of 3 to log of 3 by 2 is the point of minimum value. Point of minimum value. What is the minimum value? Minimum value we will find out by substituting x. Okay. F of this point, f of x is equal to, I am substituting the x value in the given function. This is 4 into e to the power of 2 into x is 1 by 2 into log of 3 by 2 plus 9 into e to the power of minus 2 into 1 by 2 into log of 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancels out, 2 to get cancels out. 4 into log of 3 by 2 e to the power of 4 into e to the power of log of 3 by 2. E here and a logarithmic base is also e. I hope you know the function a to the power of log of f of x to the base a. Logarithmic base and this base both are same in the sense its value is f of x. This formula I am using here. 4 into 3 by 2 plus of 9 into here it is in the form like m into log n. I will write it as log of n raised to m. If you write it as log of 3 by 2 to the power of minus 1, that will be 3 by 2 to the power of minus 1. Again this formula applies here. 4 into 3 by 2 plus 9 into minus is there. If you interchange numerator and denominator, sign of the power changes. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So option B is correct. Now let us take question number 3. The maximum value of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x minus 4 is. Let me differentiate. F dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 0 it is. Here you see a function to be maximum or minimum, what is that condition it has to satisfy? It has to satisfy the condition like its first order derivative has to be 0. This is must and should. Here 3x square plus 2x plus 1 should be equal to 0. Now we will check its roots, whether can it be equal to 0 is possible for any value of x or not. We will check. It is a quadratic equation. If we take the form b square minus 4ac, b is 2, 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1, 4 minus 12, 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Suppose here you see b square minus 4ac value is negative. What is that roots we will get? We will get its roots as a imaginary roots. Here it is equal to 0 is there. So no value of x is giving you 0. No real value of x is giving you 0. So what we can say here, f dash of x is not vanishing. F dash of x is not equal to 0 at any values of x. With this we can analyze. So no maximum, no minimum value. Which option here doesn't have a maximum value? Option C is a correct one. Answering question number 4. The function x square into log x in the interval open interval 1 comma e is given has. Okay, let me check. F of x is equal to, here the given function is x square into log x. F dash of x is equal to, product rule we will use here, x square as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus of log x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. One time x get cancels out, x plus 2x into log x it is. What is this? F dash of x is equal to, now x you take common here, 1 plus 2 into log x, 1 plus 2 into log x. What is this? F dash of x is equal to, where f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0 according to this value, x is equal to 0. Another one according to this is 1 plus 2 into log x is equal to 0. 2 into log x is equal to minus 1. Log x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Log x is equal to a negative value we are getting here. Log x is equal to negative, is it possible? No. Log x is equal to negative, it is not at all possible. X equal to 0 is the only point. But they have given you the interval here, 1 comma e. 1 comma e value is given. E is exponential constant. Exponential constant 1.732 something you will get. Here is 1, here is 2. 1.732 means exponential constant e value will be somewhere here. X equal to 0. It is out of the interval we are getting here. Means in this interval 1 to e, nowhere the curve whether it is start increasing or decreasing like that. It is like continuous increasing or continuous decreasing, something is that. What we can say, in this interval nowhere the f dash of x is equal to 0. So option is neither a point of maximum nor a point of minimum. Now answering question number 5. Fifth question is, the necessary condition to be maximum or minimum for the function is. What is the condition for a function to be maximum or minimum? Let me go with the options here. First option, f dash of x equal to 0. Yes, it is correct. Single order derivative has to be 0. And it is sufficient. No, they are saying it is sufficient. No, it is not sufficient. The function is maximum or minimum. To say it is maximum or minimum, what we need? According to the first derivative test, we need, as x increases through the point, whether f dash of x is changing the sign from positive to negative or negative to positive, that one we need. Here it is positive to negative, here it is negative to positive, maximum point, minimum point we need. So it is not at all sufficient. Or if you want to check with the second order derivative test, we need f double dash of x value. F double dash of x is greater than 0, then it is the point of a minima. If f double dash of x is less than 0, then it is the point of a maxima. So they won't, with this point itself we can't say whether it is the maxima or minima. Option A is wrong. Option B, check. F double dash of x is equal to 0 is given. F double dash of x is equal to 0 means what we do? We need to go with the first order derivative test. So that is not at all possible. With the f double dash of x is equal to 0 and it is sufficient, with that condition we can't say whether it is the maxima or minima. Checking the third option, f dash of x is equal to 0. Yes, this has to be 0. And it is not a sufficient. Yes, it is not a sufficient. Let me check the option D also. F dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of x is negative. What is this condition? This is condition is for maximum. Here condition is for maximum or minimum. So among these, which one is suitable? C is suitable. Next, sixth one. The sufficient conditions for the function f maps from R to R is to be maximum at a point x is equal to a. At a point x is equal to a, the function is maximum. What is the condition? First condition is that f dash of a has to be 0. Means single order derivative at the point has to be 0. So A and D wrong, only B and C left out. And next thing will be maximum. Maximum means at that point second order derivative has to be less than 0. Here it is given equal to 0. It is not possible. So less than 0. Among B and C, C is suitable. So C is the correct answer. Coming to question number 7. The point for the curve y is equal to x into e raised to x. Here they are saying the point x equal to minus 1 is minimum, x equal to 0 is minimum, x equal to minus 1 is like that they are saying. Let me check the point. The point for the curve y is equal to x into e raised to x. Y dash is equal to, means I am differentiating x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, e raised to x as it is, differentiation of x is 1. So here e raised to x is common, x into x plus 1. Y dash is equal to 0. Where y dash equal to 0? According to this function e raised to x, if you substitute any value for x, can it be equal to 0? Nowhere it is equal to 0. So according to this, x plus 1, y dash equal to 0 when x is equal to minus 1. So only one point we are getting, that is minus 1. At x equal to 0, it has some particular value. See, here they are saying about 2 points x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. At the point x equal to 0, what happens here? E raised to 0 means 1, 1 into 0 plus 1. So we are getting 1 here. Single order derivative is not getting vanish. Okay, x equal to minus 1 is the only point at which I need to check it. Now, y dash is equal to x into e raised to x plus e raised to x is there. Let me differentiate once again. Y double dash is equal to, here I will use product rule, x into e raised to x plus e raised to x plus differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Y double dash of x, check this point at x is equal to minus 1. Y double dash of x at the point x equal to minus 1. What happens? X is minus 1. Minus 1 into e raised to minus 1 plus e raised to minus 1 plus e raised to minus 1. Minus as it is, e raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by e. So I will write minus 1 by e plus of e raised to minus 1 is 1 by e. E raised to minus 1 is 1 by e. Minus 1 by e plus 1 by e get cancels out. What is left out? We left with 1 by e. 1 by e is a positive value or negative value? It is a positive value. So y double dash of x at the point x equal to minus 1 is greater than 0. Means x equal to minus 1 is point of a minimum. Option A is correct here. Now answering question number 8. If the function f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 62 into x square plus ax plus 9 is minimum at the point x equal to 1. This is minimum. Minimum at the point x equal to 1 means what are the conditions it has to satisfy? It has to satisfy the condition f dash of x is equal to 1. What is x value? F dash of 1 here. X equal to 1 it has to be. F dash of 1 equal to 0 and f double dash of 1 should be less than 0. These two conditions should satisfy. Let us check the first condition. F dash of x is equal to 4x cube minus 62 into 2x plus a into 1 plus differentiation of 9 is 0. Here given that is maximum at the point x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, f dash of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 62 into 2 into 1, that is 124 plus a. F dash of 1 is equal to 0, means it is 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0. Minus 120 plus a equal to 0. What is a equal to? A equal to 120. Which option? Option A is correct. Now question number 9. The maximum value of x into e raised to minus x is, the maximum value they are asking you. Okay. F of x is equal to x into e raised to minus x. Differentiating the function, this is f dash of x is equal to x into differentiation of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1 plus of e raised to minus x into differentiation of x is 1. This is minus x into e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x. What is this? F dash of x is equal to f dash of x is equal to 0. This implies minus x into e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x is equal to 0. E raised to minus x into minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. According to this e raised to x, nowhere value can be equal to 0. So only thing is that depends on whether the value is 0 or not, depends on minus x plus 1 is equal to is 0 or not. Minus x plus 1 equal to 0 implies x is equal to plus 1. X is equal to 1 is the point where f dash of x is equal to 0. What happens to the f double dash of x? You can check. That is f double dash of x is equal to, I am differentiating this, minus x into e raised to minus x into minus 1 plus e raised to minus x into differentiation of minus x is minus 1 plus e raised to minus x into minus 1. Minus minus plus x into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x. If I put x equal to 1, f double dash of 1 into e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to minus 1 by e minus 1 by e minus 1 by e. We are getting negative value. This is less than 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is the maximum. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is f of 1. F of 1 equal to, substituting in the function x into e raised to x, it is 1 into e raised to minus 1 by e. So which option? C is correct here. Answering the last question, question number 10, simple one it is. Here I hope you know the greatest integer function. What greatest integer function we do? F of x is equal to sine of step of 5 square x plus cos of step of minus 5 square x. How greatest function, greatest integer function works? I hope all of you know. In the interval, if I take the interval 0 to 1, if we substitute any value for the greatest integer function, it gives us 0. Means in the interval 0 to 1, it gives us 0. In the interval 1 to 2, it gives us 1. Means close interval 1 and open interval 2. Such a simple thing I am telling you. In the same way, here it is given step of pi square. Step of pi square. Step of pi square means what? Step of pi square means pi means 3.142. Pi square means 9 point something. 9 point something will be there. 9 point something means what it gives us? It gives us 9. And next here minus is there. Minus pi square means it is minus of 9 point something. Minus of 9 point something. See, if you substitute any value in the interval minus 1 to 0, what it gives us? Like if you put minus 0.5 for the step function, what it gives us? It gives us minus 1. So minus 9 point something, in the sense it is minus 10. Okay. Now what happens to the function f of x equal to? F of x is equal to sine of 9x plus cos of minus 10x. Cos of a negative value is always positive only, so it is cos 10x. What is this? F of x equal to, they are asking you f dash of x is, what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to differentiation of sine cos 9x into 9x, differentiation means 9, differentiation of cos is minus sine 10x into differentiation of 10x is 10. Which option is correct? C is correct here. Okay, thank you.